Hi everybody, welcome to our channel Rahatya. Hope you all are fine. Even if you're not fine, don't worry, you'll be fine. So again, one more lockdown in Karnataka. Don't worry, things will be fine. So again, it will be normal, back to normal. So again, killing time during this lockdown is a challenge. So today my vlog, I just plan to show you some DIY, that is do it yourself, which might help the kids as well as elders to invest some time into making something which gives you happiness. So it will in turn help you to decorate your house as well. So very basic simple DIY which are pretty easy to do at home. So enjoy. For the first time I'm starting this vlog without my kid Ahana. So she is my helping hand every time. She used to make videos, so this time I'm left alone. So however she's on the way, but let me just give this vlog as a surprise to her as well. So let's start the vlog now.
So my first vlog is making a hanging, a bird hanging basically. So I had ordered these beautiful birds from Amazon. I'll just share the link in my link box. So these are beautiful small birds which were being ordered. So we need this kind of ropes to make the hanging, and you will need waist bangles and Fevicol. So with these we'll make a beautiful bird hanging.
So firstly you'll have to take one bangle. In fact, you can take two bangles to make it a little thicker. So start turning it around. ಈ ತರ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಬಳೆಗೆ. As you see here. So sometimes what happens is initially what you have applied here, so it might come out. So what you can do is you can again fix it with Fevicol, and whatever these it would have become looser. So just rotate them, just fix it tightly again, and just keep on rotating this instead of removing each and everything again. Just keep on rotating here, so it will be fine again. See. So make it little tighter, so it will be fine. So now we are done with 3 bangles. So now we have to make a little thicker one for the nest. So now I'm taking 4 to 5 bangles. You can take as per the thickness available. So hold the bangles for the timing and then start rotating with one hand if possible. Doing this with 4 bangles is pretty challenging, so just hold it with one hand and start rotating it with the other. So now we will have to hang those 3 bangles below the nest which we have prepared. The thicker one is the nest. So make some space on the nest bangle and drop those 3 other bangles at an equidistance. First tie those single bangles along with the thread and place them at an equidistance. Like in order to build a nest, so I've just taken dried grass like this. So I'll just fill it up here. So as you see here, the nest is ready. So now I've placed these little birds here. So these are the entire set of birds. They're pretty cute. You can opt for handmade birds as well. Kids need to be little careful because it has a sharp edgy this thing here. So be little careful while removing these birds. So as you see here, this is one bird I've been chosen here to place it in the nest. So let me take one more different color bird. I'll go for a red one. So as you see here, so similarly here I'll place one more bird. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ತಂತಿ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಒಳಗೆ. You can hang these birds wherever you like, especially if they are present in the garden. It looks very appealing, it looks very beautiful. So I have just showed you few examples here. So hope you have liked the bird hanging DIY. So our next DIY would be stone painting. So these were the stones given by one of my friend. Thanks for that. These kind of stones you generally find near the rivers or beaches or something like that. So these are easily available in the market as well. So these are little soft to paint. So you can paint as per your creativity. This can be used as a paperweight. So I had these small stones with me. So now I'm gonna paint this. You may first draw an outline to get a fair idea with regard to painting. As you see here, I'm just drawing an outline. Take a 0 number brush, that is more preferable. I did not had a 0 number brush at that point of time, so just use a 0 number brush for a better painting. You can use permanent markers for finer lines. As you see here, the branches are made out of the marker.
ಯವ್ವ ನೀ ತರ್ತಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರ್ತಿ?
ಹೊಸ
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರ್ತಿ?
ಹೊಸದೇ ತರ್ತೇನೆ.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಬಾಡಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ?
ನನಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ?
ಏನಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ? ಏನಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್
ನಿನ್ ಕಡೆ ಪೈಪೈ ಇಲ್ಲವ?
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಪೈಪೈ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅದ
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ?
ಅಕ್ಕ.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
ಸಾಕ್ ಬಿಡು.
ಸಾಕಿನ್.
I just showed you two do-it-yourself small simple craft and art form. So you can try as per your own creativity and make it more creative. So I'm done with this stone painting as well, as you can see here. So you can apply your own creativity, you can apply your own thoughts. You can in fact write a happy birthday note or something of that sort, congratulatory messages or miss you kind of messages on this particular stones and make it as per your creativity. So these can be used as paperweight. It looks very pretty actually, as you see here. So color your thoughts, color your mind. So corona तो जाएगा नहीं कोरोना ಅಂತೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನರಿ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಟಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕೂಲ್ so it's all part of our life, so little more extra cautiousness and everything will be fine. The world will be a good place to live in again. So don't worry about the lockdown, keep your mind calm and happy. So indulge in such activities which will keep you relaxed, much more relaxed. Have fun time, have more family time. So all such activities, in fact you can sit with your family and do all such activities which will invoke much affection within your family. So do it with your kids, enjoy the fun time. So don't worry about the lockdown again, as I reiterate these points. So stay safe, stay healthy and enjoy with your family. Be responsible citizen and again we will definitely win. Have a fun day, have a fun time. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Rahadya. Thanks again.